Okay, on the back of worksheet 8.5, compound event means two things. When I see the word and means it's harder to win. And means I got to do the first thing, I got to do the second thing before I actually win. So question number 1 says, in the exercise, a number cube is rolled. Who wants to raise their hand and tell me? Number cube. How many events are on a number cube? Laura. 6. And this spinner is spun. How many events are on the spinner here? Brett? 4. So now, what's the chance of rolling a 1? Who wants to raise their hand and tell me what's the fraction for rolling a 1? Stephanie?
1/6.
1/6. Who wants to raise their hand and tell me what's the chance of rolling a 4? This game stinks. You're not going to win very often. Gabby?
1/6.
Nope. 4. Oh, take a look at my spinner. How many different spots are on my spinner? 4. So it's 1/4. Nope, that's fine. Now, the word and. The word or earlier in the week meant plus. The word and means multiply. Your answer. You have a 1 in 24 chance of winning. It's horrible. You're not going to win very often. Now, previewing these. Odd. How many odds are there? On a cube. 3 out of 6, right? Now, you should be smart. We're in 7th grade. We have the reducing skills in our head right off the bat. 3/6 could actually be reduced to what right away? A half. What's the chance of rolling spinning a B? Now, yes, somebody over here is going to wonder how in the world did I get a half? I reduced 3/6. What's the chance of spinning a B? Alexis?
Wait, I have a question. So it's like, instead of having to reduce the fractions in the beginning, you reduce them all.
Absolutely. But I tell you, it becomes harder later on. If you see 3/6, get it down to a half right away. Now, what was the chance of rolling a B again? Aiden? 1/4. Answer's 1/8. Now, I look through these. Prime numbers are 2, 3, and 5. Don't include 1. Greater than 4 means 5 and 6. Prime, consonant. Now, let me go do number 7, just because I want to help you out. And I got to have these two be quiet up here. And it's kind of awful to think I have a video where I got to discipline people. What's the probability of spinning a spinner 3 times and getting a vowel? Spinner's right here. What's the chance of getting a vowel? The first time.
1 out of 4?
1 out of 4. The second time's 1 out of 4. The third time's 1 out of 4. The chances of me doing that? Bad. What's 4 times 4 times 4? 4 times 4 times 4. Laura. 1/64. I'm going to make you do that last one on your own. This one here. The spinner at the right is spun. Find each probability. Realize there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots on here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spots on here. It's going to be multiplication again. Now, these questions, I want to go do the last section. I'll give you a quick hint on 13 to 18. If I have 3 reds, 1 blue, 2 yellows, how many total do I have altogether? 3, 1, and 2. 6. Now, if I was here tomorrow, I'd be circling, underlining, really bolding out, not replaced. Not replaced means once I take that marble out, I don't put it back in. So let me do the first one of this. What's the probability of pulling out a red? 3/6. Now, I'm going to write 3/6 here. Most of you guys are thinking 1/2, but don't do that yet. 3/6. What's the chance of pulling out a yellow next time? Be very careful. It's not 2/6 because the marble's gone. Claire. 2/5. Now, if you want to change this to a half, go ahead. Cancel out the 2's. I get 1/5. You might have to slow that down and watch it again. I canceled out 3/6, made it a half. My 2's canceled, I got 1/5. Now, the one I did want to cover, though, was this. The probability of getting 3 reds in a row. Oh, mama, that's bad. It would be 3/6 times 2/5 times 1/4. Because I'm losing a marble each time. On the bottom, I'm losing a marble each time. On the top, I'm losing a red one each time. Now, you guys always get gigantically confused on this because most people don't play cards anymore. it says the face cards are removed from a standard deck of cards and the rest are set aside. 2 cards are drawn at random from only the face cards. Who wants to raise their hand and tell me what kind of face cards do we have? Sean?
The Joker,
Nope, jokers don't count. Nope.
Kings,
Nope, aces actually don't have a face on them, so no. King?
Kings, queens, and jacks.
Perfect.
Good.
Now, I want you to just write over here, 12.
Now we're playing.
There should be 12 face cards because you have a king. Now, stop for a second. There are 12 face, let's make sure we got to understand this. There are 3 of each thing. King, queen, jack, and then king, queen, jack, but I will have 4 of each one. So, it is 4 times 3 is 12. There's 12 face cards. What's the probability of getting 2 queens? How many queens are in the deck? How many queens are in the deck? 4. 4 12s times 3 11s. You got to go in here and write, please circle, not replaced. Now I should cancel out. What is 4 12ths reduced to? What is 4 12ths reduced to right here? Reduce that. Well, I should tell somebody who's not paying attention so they can be live. Andrew.
Which is
Keep going. 2 6.
2 6, which is
Perfect. 1/3. I get a 1/3 here and then my 3's cancel out. If you're good at canceling, your answer of 1/11 is done. Now, jack, king, blackjack. There's only, how many blackjacks are on the deck? How many blackjacks are in the deck?
1, 2.
Blackjack, you should have a spade and a club, so you get 2. So you got to know a little bit about cards to do this last question, which is slightly hard. Red queen, how many red queens? 2. How many black cards?
2.
On the faces, how many black cards will there be? 6 12s times 5 11s. So this one, who's the card expert in this hour? Plays a lot of cards. You might have to rely upon Laura. You might have to rely upon Brett or Grace or... Oof. I don't know. But you might have to just